Hello food lovers! We're gonna try a recipe from Jalad Zaferano but with a twist as we do it without oil. In a pan, let's put shallot, celery, carrots, and the oil substitute, vegetable broth. Let's also add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir and wait until they are half cooked. Now it's time to add the lentils. And before we go on, please don't forget to like and follow my page. Pour a glass of vegetable broth and cold water until they are fully covered. Grab the lid, cover, and cook for an hour. When it started to boil, add pepper and salt according to your taste. Don't forget to keep an eye not to get dry. Add water and stir from time to time. After an hour, blend it until creamy. Now it's ready, but according to Jalad Zaferano, we should put it back in the pan and cook for another 40 minutes. Well, I want it to become creamier, so I'll pass it with the fine mesh strainer. You see, I know what you're thinking, and I'm speechless. I think I made it right, trust me. It doesn't look good, but it tastes superb. Thanks for the recipe, Jalad Zaferano. And again, thank you for watching.